This is how Jamaican eat cornmeal porridge with bread or crackers. I didn't have crackers, so I'm using my sliced bread. Yeah. So let's go ahead and prepare this one, guys. Just keep on watching. Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm just giving you a run through of the ingredients. We have refined cornmeal, we have cinnamon sticks, cinnamon powder, vanilla, nutmeg, salt, condensed milk, and vanilla. And we're just going to add some salt and our cinnamon stick to the pot and allow that to boil for a couple of minutes before we add the cornmeal. If you're new here, welcome again. My name is Nicola. I'm a foodie at heart. I love food, hence I did this channel. So as you see, we're preparing some cornmeal porridge today, and I hope you will enjoy this one and join the family. By joining the family, please just tap the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you won't miss another upload. And if you're a foodie, please check out my Foodlicious playlist. I link them above just now. And here we're going to add our cornmeal. For the cornmeal, you can do it two ways. You can add the water, cold water, to the cornmeal, but I just add it this way, and I use my handy dandy whisk to whisk. You have to whisk this very well to avoid lump. We don't need no lumpy cornmeal porridge. So now that our cornmeal has been completely cooked for around 10 minutes, we're going to add our condensed milk. You can choose to use coconut milk, almond milk, whichever milk you choose. I'm using condensed milk. I'm going to also add a bit of white sugar. You can totally omit the sugar, and as I said, substitute the milk of your choice. And I'm going to use my spices that I list earlier: cinnamon powder, nutmeg, and vanilla. Back home I could get almond essence, but I can't get it here, so I have to use what I have. Hence I'm using my cinnamon, nutmeg, and vanilla. So keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of the video. Silky smooth cornmeal porridge. Yes, and I'm serving this one with a couple slices of bread. This is how Jamaican eat cornmeal porridge with bread or crackers. I didn't have crackers, so I'm using my sliced bread. Yes, bon appetit. Enjoy. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'll catch you in another upload. But before you do that, please like the video, share the video, drop me a comment below, tell me what you prefer to drink or eat with your cornmeal porridge. And again, if you haven't subscribed, please do so at this moment. Put your bell on so you won't miss another upload. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.